Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials, the newest Ppsspp build and a backup of Ppsspp. Ini and your control profile. Open the emulator, then go straight to Settings, right arrow controls to check current mapping. This prevents lost profiles once you change multi-touch. If on Android, enable System Multi-Touch and grant input permissions. Once done, prepare a test ISO and keep a second device or touchscreen handy so you can validate touch responses immediately after each change. Now configure on-screen controls. Open Layout Editor and select on-screen controls. Add buttons where needed, resize and set opacity so multiple fingers won't overlap unintentionally. This reduces misreads. For true multi-touch, create separate touch areas for each logical button and map them to the emulator's buttons, not shortcuts. Once mapped, enable multi-button press options and test by holding 2 or more touch zones at once. If inputs conflict, adjust spacing and sensitivity until each simultaneous press registers reliably. Finish by testing in-game. Pick a fast-action title and perform combined inputs repeatedly to confirm stability. If you miss inputs, tweak input latency, polling rate, and reduce touch area overlap. These changes lower ghosting and improve simultaneous detection. Make incremental changes and retest each time. If problems continue, restore your backed up Ppsspp. Ini, try a different emulator build, or test on another touchscreen. Often hardware multi-touch limits cause failures, so isolating the device rules out settings issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.